All right, what are we doing here today?
Skydiving.
We're skydiving. You ever done this before?
No.
No. Are you excited?
Yeah, she bought it for my birthday tomorrow.
That's awesome. Are you nervous?
A little bit maybe.
That's normal to be nervous to jump out of an airplane. All right.
I feel like I might like it too much. Yeah.
Good. You can come back and do it again.
Great.
All right. You have anything you want to say to friends, family before we go?
Bye, I love you. Just kidding.
Come out and do it with us next time.
Right?
All right. Well, I'll see you when we're going to the airplane. Get right back out of it. That is what I am talking about. All right. High five. You just jumped out of an airplane for the first time. How do you feel?
I feel great.
You feel great?
Yeah, I feel great.
What was your favorite part?
The jumping part. It was scary.
It was scary?
Yeah.
Good.
But like for 2 seconds.
It's good for you.
Yeah.
All right. So would you do it again?
100 times.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get you out here and learn how to skydive.
All right. I'm down.
Thank you for coming. Let's go.